welcome back to my channel. It's me, Happy. I'm back again with another video. Today's video, I am going to be showing you how to do watermelon makeup. It's, in the name, watermelon, but eyes. Yeah, it's really simple actually and really easy to do. And if you want to see how I've been seeing people do it on Instagram a whole lot, and I just wanted to bring you the steps and how to do it in case you're interested. And make sure you like, drop a comment down below, subscribe. Now that that's said, let's get on down to today's video. Cutting our crease, and we're definitely going for a full lid cut crease for this look. So I'm going to take my concealer and I'll give myself a full lid cut crease. So right now I'm using a black eyeliner to apply the watermelon seeds. Then I'm going to go in with some white eyeliner and I'll apply that next to the black just for some more watermelon detailing. So right about now, I'm gonna pop on some lashes, and I definitely feel like putting on my lashes with my fingers is easier than using some tweezers, but I don't know, whatever rocks your boat. Which one's better for y'all? Comment down below, I need to know. So guys, this is the finished look. I love it so much. It looks really cute and adorable. I know y'all would try it. If you try it, send me pics. Follow me on my social media platform. My handle is showing right now on your screen. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Comment down below anything you have to say about me or this video. And I love you guys so much. See you next time in my next video. Bye guys.